I gotta change the oil on that one. But before I move that one, I'm gonna check this throttle. Is that an issue? This damn whole cable went bad already. How that happened? All slipped upside down. So it was making it bind on the inside. The good thing is it's a quick fix.
So the throttle cable that got flipped over?
No, it was an actual idle to return cable.
Okay.
On a idle cable itself, it was flipped upside down, which I don't know how. But I'm gonna say one thing I am gonna say, I put it on there. So we gotta put that on camera. I put it on there, so I don't know how. I must have been talking to the Motor Channel people.
You're talking to Sean.
Well, the good thing was it didn't fray it, so. But it was actually flipped around, backwards. No, you know what had to happen? What I'm gonna think end up, because he said it was turning perfect. I'm almost guarantee you that it wasn't sitting all the way inside of the housing down there when it got adjusted out. And when it finally set all the way down inside of there, it allowed extra space up top for it to, because it was turning too perfect. And he said all of a sudden it just started doing that. So then that allowed it to spin, is what I'm gonna, because I know I would have never put it in on an angle like that. So like I was saying down here at the bottom, if you come on this side here, I don't want to stick my fingers in the video. So you see here, these are normally supposed to be sitting down in here pretty good. So like this one here is still sitting up, which is probably 9 times out of 10 the one I'm looking at. But if you see how this here is indentated in, that's not sitting down in there. It don't sit all the way down in there flush.
But it's not.
Because it's gonna be a spring in there also that helps you kind of give it a little bounce back. So if that wasn't sitting correctly and then it settled, it would have put slack up top. So I'm just like, see, if I leave it loose and this housing spinning, I can be getting an inaccurate when I'm turning it to see if it's turning the throttle responding correctly. All of a sudden I'll be over tightening it or leaving it too loose once it's locked in. So I'm putting it all the way back together now.
Makes the adjustment final.
Exactly, I'll adjust the throttle now. I'm seeing I got a lot of throttle. So now I want to come back and loosen this up. And get my throttle adjusted out first. And I want to open this back up just to make sure ain't no slack in there. So I normally get it on the exposed threads. I mean, expose actual wiring. And then I'll also spray it down so it can kind of run into here also on it.